Severe weather wreaked havoc in the eastern region of Sicily, Italy. The community has been left powerless in these past hours. Disruptions and significant damage have been reported in the cities of Giarre, Riposto, Messina, Catania, and Syracuse. These areas were affected by severe flooding today, Wednesday, November 13, 2024, following heavy rainfall. The local SIAS, Sicilian Agro-Meteorological Information Service, monitoring station recorded real-time rainfall of up to 92 milliliters within just the past hour, causing river levels to rise rapidly and flood homes. Amateur video footage from residents shows the harsh reality, with streets quickly turning into fast-flowing rivers and cars swept away by the floodwaters. Many residents were trapped and forced to take refuge on the upper floors of their homes. Firefighters and civil protection teams were immediately deployed. A terrifying moment was captured when a car was dragged along the streets and swept into the sea at the small port of Torri Arcarafi, a hamlet in Riposto, in the Catania area. Additionally, a fishing boat drifted aimlessly after being carried away by the force of the floodwaters today. Garages and shops were flooded, including a supermarket in Giarre. Tense moments unfolded as floodwaters breached homes in Riposto, with reports indicating that the water level inside some houses reached up to 2 meters.
Il tetto è alto più di 2 metri. Ah, porta solo me. Guardate, in diretta? In diretta. In diretta, vale la mano, vale la mano.